Beautiful birds. Birds have feathers, wings, and a beak.
Most birds can fly in the sky, but some cannot.
They build nests and lay eggs. Some birds have colourful feathers, like peacocks and parrots. Some birds, like ducks and swans, can swim.
Parrots are tropical birds known for imitating sounds and are often kept as pets.
They come in different colors, such as green and red. Parrots eat small grains, fruits, berries, etc. Ostrich. The ostrich is the world's largest bird. It is a large, flightless bird. Ostriches are tall and lay the largest eggs. Sparrow. Sparrows are small birds with brown and grey colored feathers. They eat insects, seeds, fruits, etc.
Sparrows build their nests in trees, buildings, and other sheltered places.
Woodpecker. Woodpeckers are known for their pecking sound. They have strong beaks that help them drill holes in tree trunks to find insects. They have a distinctive call and can be found in forests. Hornbill. Hornbills are large birds with a unique large beak. They are known for their colorful and striking appearance. These birds are mostly found in tropical forests and are known to live in pairs. Bee hummingbird. The bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. It is known for its rapid wing beats and hovering flight while feeding on nectar. It is found in Cuba and surrounding areas. Kingfisher. Kingfishers are small to medium-sized birds, often found near rivers or lakes. They are known for their striking blue and orange feathers and their ability to dive into water to catch fish. Due to human activities, many bird species are in danger. We need to protect these birds.